The hippos, but unfortunately we were not able to see. But the views and the feeling while on that boat is something that I would really recommend that you do while in Kisumu. And there are actually many boats, fishing boats, luxury doors. And I even tried to kind of change the direction of the boat. It was not going very well. And yeah, you can see I almost fell. That was a very scary experience. The sunset is spectacular. One of the things I would really recommend while you're in Kisumu. Casa Kiboko Bay is the place that you can book the boat, at least this particular one. I can bet there are other places that you can book the boat while in Kisumu, but this was by far the most comfortable, and the staff were quite friendly, and they took their time until we saw the sunset. It was a bit cloudy day, but we got the best that we could get on that day. And yeah, as for the accommodation, Milimani Estate is one of the places that is considered like very safe in Kisumu, and we got one of the apartments. I'll put the link on the description. It's a 3-bedroom luxury apartment in Milimani, and that is the living room or the sitting room, if you like to call it. Quite spacious, very clean, and really tastefully decorated. And the TV screen is quite big, like fits the room correctly. Yeah, and that's the dining area. It can sit up to 6 people, and you can even add, the table is quite big, so you can add more chairs if you have more guests. And they have an extra, that is the balcony outside, and that place was really one of the most used places because the temperature there is a bit cool. Kisumu can be very hot, but on the back side of the house it was very cool. The temperatures were really good and very cool, like you don't need any air conditioning on that side. And the house has air conditioning system, so it's quite relaxing to be inside after being outside in the sun. That's the kitchen, quite spacious with the cooking facilities, the oven, coffee maker. These are rare in most apartments in Kenya, but this one had the coffee maker, very big fridge, microwave. Those are basically the things you need when you're staying in an apartment. And then the 3 bedrooms, all the 3 bedrooms are actually located upstairs. So on the downside, on the ground floor, it's only the kitchen, the living room, and then the balcony outside. This is the bedroom number 1. Beautifully decorated, good lighting, and now they have installed air conditioning system. And then bedroom 2, quite spacious, also tastefully decorated, good lighting, and now installed air conditioning system. Very beautiful, very clean. And all the 3 bedrooms are en suite, meaning that all of them have their own bathroom and toilet, so there's enough privacy if you're going like different families or couples, so you don't have to share the bathroom. And quite spacious. And then this is the master bedroom. The master bedroom, this was really like, the bed was so big and very comfortable. The lighting, air conditioning system, the shower room, and they had, in addition, the cabinets, of course, really enough. They had in addition the dressing table. Seems I missed out on the video, but the dressing table was something to behold. It was so beautifully decorated. So in the downstairs they have another bedroom which can fit 2 people. So if you have like extra guests or you're traveling a big group, then you can use the main house and the adjacent one-bedroom house. It's self-contained, own bathroom, own toilet, and on your way to the garden, then there's a kitchen, self-contained, cooking facilities, and a washing machine. The washing machine is shared between the main house and the adjacent one bedroom. That's the garden, very green, well maintained. Acacia Premier, one of the places we visited, and the Impala Sanctuary. You can see some of the animals in the sanctuary: buffaloes, lions, zebras, giraffes, antelopes,